Hey everybody, this is Bob from Rail Design. Today we're going to be taking a look at the hiking pendant. I've run into a bunch of friends who are scrambling to get their last hiking events of the year before the winter comes. They have to gear up for different exposures and things like that. So there's been a lot of talk around the house and around work about hiking, so I decided to make a hiking pendant. So I hope you like it. Let's take a look. All right, so here we go. Here is the hiking pendant. It's approximately 2 centimeters square, or 3/4 of an inch if you're using English units. It's about half a centimeter thick, or let's see, I think it's like 1/8. No, it's actually 3/16 thick. Yeah, it's almost 200 thousandths. So it's not very thick, but it's thick enough to have a 3 millimeter or a 2.5 millimeter hole going through it, so that you could put on or put through a necklace or a nylon cord or something like that. I'm going to show you what that looks like in the pictures. So this is the prototype. I made this in green nylon. It's supposed to have the hiking symbol on there and a gradient for the little hiking person to be going up a hill. So a couple things in the prototype. The highlight for the ground wasn't enough, I don't think, and it might just be because of it being in plastic and the green washing it out. But I thought I would make this a little bit deeper, and it was kind of hard to see what was going on with this geometry, with everything being kind of the same depth. So I made the stick that the hiker is holding a through wall, so they'll be more highlighted. And while I did that, I also made the head a through wall as well. And that really wasn't on purpose. It was because the divot, or the deboss for the head, was so close to the pass-through hole that I was getting a failure on doing metal prints. So to circumvent that, I just went all the way through, so there was no no thin wall to fail the print. So that took care of that. So let's take a look at what that looked like. So this is a polished bronze steel. So now the stick is a little more pronounced, so is the gradient. I kind of like the way this came out. You can see how the stick is kind of a pass-through now. You can see the blue behind it, and so is the head. So if you want to do something really extravagant with it, there is a way to, there is a through hole going through this, and it actually intersects with the head a little bit. So if you do macrame or something like that, maybe you can do something with it. I'm not sure, but I just thought it was a neat little way to get around that failure mode. So so again, 2.5 millimeter hole for the necklace pass through. This is the way it looks in bronze steel. Kind of like it myself. I'm not sure if I will pass this on or wear it myself. I'm thinking, since it came out so well, I'll probably wear it myself. So you tell me what you think, and I'll see you next week. Thanks.